Hello everyone, this is Umesh here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is day 6 of our 21-day English speaking challenge. I hope you are practicing English speaking every day with me. Today's topic is my favorite place. Everyone has a Everyone has a favorite place. It can be city, it can be a park, it can be a beach or even your home. A favorite place is a place where we feel happy and relaxed and comfortable. Let me talk about my favorite place. One of my favorite place is my hometown in Odisha. It is a peaceful and beautiful place and very greenery nature. Whenever I visit my hometown, I feel very happy and relaxed. I like spending time with my friends and family member. Another favorite place for me is a quiet place where I can learn and work. I enjoy sitting in a calm environment where I can read, learn, and new things and improve my skills. Sometimes my favorite place is not a famous, but it is special for us because it gives us comfort and peace. Now it's your turn. Try to speak 2 or 3 minutes about your favorite place in English. You can talk about where the place is, why you like that place, and when you visit that place. Write in the comment section. Day 6 completed. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.